Because the owner of this house actually had 2 holes on his property. That's where the foundation of this golf course took place. Now it's a senior center, but nonetheless, we're going to talk all about that rich history at this course.
I wouldn't know that just getting there. It's an interesting past and a beautiful present future here as we walk through this river-friendly golf course. It is river-certified golf course by the state, and it's pretty much run by the state. It's a county-run course.
The course was constructed in 1966 by Al Purdy. Originally opened as a private club. Let's take a look here at Warrenbrook Golf Course, a Somerset County course, and they got 5 of them. We almost played all of them, knocking this one off our list.
And I will say expectations were pretty low going to this facility, sitting at a 3.8 with 152 golf reviews.
Bottom part?
Yeah,
we did the top part.
That's to get a look at it.
It's a par 71 stretching 6,372 yards from those back tees, with a slope of 127 and a rating of 71.1. There's a lot of wildlife cutting through the course. That fox really won't mess with you from what the guy told me.
Township of Somerset bought the club in 1978 at the senior center located right next to the golf course. With 17 and 18 being the original holes from the owner of this golf course.
Interesting part about that, the guy told me over and over again, just go online, you'll find the information. I checked everywhere. I couldn't find information other than I believe the course, those 2 holes, were built in 1950. The foundation still sits there, and you can tell that it has a back and forth feel to it. And there's 2 holes. Originally, the house owner had those 2 holes to himself, and then I believe in 1966 they completed a whole 18 holes there. And this was a private facility, converted house into a believe country club, but that history seems to disappear, so we're excited to at least try to find as much information as we can and rely on you down in the comment section. If you have any information to add to it, it could be very useful. These type of county courses, some of the history gets lost, and it's really hard to find it on some of their dated websites. Now this course is in good shape. They got fun characteristics as well, especially that part where you could walk up the stairs and take a look at the hole, and the hilliness of the course is all over it. I tell you what, it feels like you don't want to walk this course if you had to. Overall, I would put this over a 4 if it was in a Google rating. Any of these county courses, they're all in great shape. I look forward to finishing my collection and playing the last one. But this course, wow, hopefully you get a chance to go out here and play it in the near future, because the conditions of it towards the end of the summer, I would love to see how vibrant it would be in the springtime. It got beat up this summer, a lot of play. It's non-stop. You got power lines cutting through it, but again, the wildlife is jumping out all over. I think you would enjoy this course for the price range. I think that's what's the biggest selling point for me. Costing about $37 for an adult Saturday and Sundays, and then another probably $20 for a cart fee. That's where they get you. Overall, I think the course is pretty nice. If you're a non-resident, it could go up to $60, so make sure you get your county card, because there is a big difference. Now Twilight Rate, that's where I think you all shine at $32 Twilight Rate on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. A lot of elevation here, as mentioned. It feels like the first couple holes bring you to this pocket of golf up on the hill, or the hand of God on number 9, this par 3 that funnels towards the hole. And I tell you what, they cut down a lot of trees in comparison to the original layout built in 1966. That's for the pace of play. Nonetheless, the course still has a great feel to it, talking to some of the fellows that played it. And overall, just my experience going out there, the bunkers, the fairways, everything was tight. It wasn't prestigious, but it was still, a summertime Jersey golf. What do you think? Wildlife was cutting through, so that was fun. It didn't look like it had rabies or anything. Of course, Al Purdy himself has designed this course. He's built a few other courses in the tri-state area, almost 50 courses total. I tell you what, I'm hoping to get out and play more of the public courses. He has a lot of private ones that I don't think we'll be able to play anytime soon, unless maybe you can get us out there. This is the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area, and looking towards golf courses like this that have an interesting past. Anyone that had the house that originally set at this location with the 2 holes, that's a really special story that probably should be highlighted and maybe even in the logo itself. And that's what we're trying to do on this channel. It's got some bridges cutting through. This is the original 2 holes, so he had pretty challenging 2 holes with water right before here, and then on number 18 as we cut through, you can see that old bridge too, which probably dates in the 1940s, maybe even later than that. Overall, this is the last hole. It's probably my favorite hole here, headed towards the clubhouse, and hopefully you're headed to this course in the near future. That's going to do it for our list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. This is the Parfessor.